So you have to change password, and for to change password, you need to open Outlook on your browser. Once Outlook open, now you need to go ahead and click on the link and then go to the sign in option. Once you click on sign in option, it asks you to type your user ID. That could be your number, your email. Once you type it in, you have to wait and then click on next. Not to wait, you can click on next, right? So after hit next, then you need to click on the forgot password so that you can change your password. Once you click on forgot password, you can see that it asks you to verify your identity. So it could be your number, or you might put another email address. So you can select accordingly. Once you select, it asks you to type the phone number, last four number or email address. Once you type, you can next hit next, and it'll send you for the verification, right? So you have to type the one-time password, right? That'll be sent on your phone number or email. Once you typed in, it's verify, right? And you need to type. So let's do it. So type it and hit next. Then you can see the option of reset password. Now, for the reset password, you need to type the new password, right? So whatever the password you typed in earlier, that not gonna work, right? So go ahead and type the password. Once you type it, then you need to reconfirm, type it again, right? And once you type it, right, hit next. So after hit next, once again, let me correct this again. So I corrected, and you can now hit next. And once you hit next, it will give you a new page, right? It'll tell you your password is successfully, changed, and then you can go for the sign in option again, right? So once you click on sign in, you can go ahead and type it your email address, right? Like I'm type it here. So type your email address and make sure write down this new password somewhere in a piece of paper so that you can remember. Okay, so here I type it my email address. Now my email is in almost, and once you type your email address, then you need to go to this next step, right? You have to get the next button, and then you need to type the password again. I'm sure I remember it. Yep. So now you can, if you want to check this box, you can for to stay sign in, or you can say no. It's all up to you. So congratulations. That's how you can change your password in Outlook or in Hotmail. So that's so easy to go ahead and do it, right? One thing which is very important, you have, whenever you done all this, right, make sure that you write this password somewhere in piece of paper, right? So that's all from this video. Thank you so much for watching.